Look, so I've been talking about this food stuff for some time now. The first time I actually noticed a lot of the different issues with American food products was when I traveled to Colombia. I was in Colombia and I was at a friend's house, and literally they had cartons of eggs literally sitting on the counter. You know, I grew up in the US and I'm like, what? Like, why do y'all put the eggs in the fridge? Why is the egg sitting out? And she looked at me, she was like, what are you talking about? Like, eggs are supposed to be outside. And it was like first of all, I'm not a farmer. I don't know how any of these things work, but outside, all of our eggs in the US is in the fridge. Like, what are you talking about? And it's like, oh, so there's a reason why we got to put eggs in the fridge in the US. It just blows my mind, y'all. And again, I don't know if y'all have these experiences, but when you consider the way that other countries are living in terms of their lifestyle, it's vastly different than how we live. Like, you literally have eggs sitting out for months, but we got to put ours in the fridge. That's crazy.